Okay, today I'm going to be going over how to change your WordPress administrative username and password. If you installed WordPress recently, then you had the option while you were doing the installation to choose a custom username for your administrator, but in the past, WordPress would automatically default your admin username to admin. So the first thing you're just going to do is open up a new browser window, and you're going to browse to your WordPress login. And the reason why this having admin as your login username is probably not the best idea is because it opens up your site to be hacked very easily through a brute force attack, since the attackers already know half of the username password combination. So you're going to log in as your current administrator username. I'm going to come over here to users and hit add new. So we're going to be creating a new user to use for the administrator. I recommend using something with uppercase, lowercase, and also a special character and some numbers, just because it's harder for a script to guess this if it's randomly trying different combinations. I'm going to throw in password, first name, last name. The website's probably going to be the one that you're working on right now. And for the password, you're going to use something that is strong. So you want uppercase letters, lowercase letters, special characters, numbers. You want everything. So something like this would work pretty good. And so we'll pop that in, and we'll change our role to administrator. So we'll add this new user. Now you can see that we have two administrative users, this original admin, and now the new one we just created. And since you can't delete the user that you're currently logged in as, we're going to log out, we're going to log back in as the administrator we just created. So we'll come up here, we'll log out, and we'll log in here. Okay, so now we're logged in. We can come back over to our users, and we can now delete this old admin. So we'll just click this check mark here. We will drag down to delete, and we'll hit apply. And this is pretty important. Make sure when you're doing this, if you were creating posts in the past under your admin, that you attribute them to some other user, because if you don't, they will all get deleted. So this Jason Jones is actually the new administrator that we're currently logged in as, or you can choose any of the other users that you have, and then we'll just confirm deletion, and the users are deleted. So now when you log in, your administrator is going to be this username, and we set a strong password. The one other thing you're going to want to do is come into this user that's your admin user, and over here, if you don't want to use your real name and you don't want to use the username, which I really recommend you do not use the username, because now you're defeating the whole purpose of changing from admin, because you're publishing your administrative username. So for the nickname, you can set up, something different, Jazzy Jones, and you can set the display name publicly as Jazzy Jones. That way, any of the articles that you wrote will say authored by or created by Jazzy Jones, and not JA-3773, which is part of your login. Once you're done, you can update your profile updated, and that's basically all there is to it. You just added a major upgrade to your security, and you just put yourself probably ahead of 25% of the other WordPress users who have kept that default admin username from the past.